this off is a piece of cake. It's just a light rub with the super shiny tile. See how it's waxed up? It's all wax. When the porcelain first came out, it was all waxy, and then it wasn't, and then this batch is. Cool, eh? Then I'll do a light grey on these walls. White would be too white. See the glue? That glue didn't even stick, eh? To that tile because of the wax. So you never use these tiles as a packer. If you're packing anything, that's a no-no, because nothing would stick to that face. Just a little something. To take note of, because sometimes I use a tile or two as a packer if I need to bring it out for the finished tile, but you'd never use this tile. It would fall off in 5 minutes. Now don't forget to do a comment in the comment column. Ask any question. I'll try and get to it to answer the questions. If you're needing to know anything, just drop us a line in the comments column. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and we're home and hose. Then you'll get enough of me that you're bound to learn something. Hopefully. Like my teachers at school said, you're better off going out and getting a job because you're not learning anything here. Yeah. Now look at that, bloody beautiful. On Monday I'll just give it a polish off with a dry cloth. It'll come out amazing. Absolute amazing. Oh, I've got to cut those floor wastes too, these squares, but that's all right. I'll do that now actually before I go any further, so I don't forget, because I've got glue mixed up. When you put a tile up there, it finishes it off nicely, and then they paint that ceiling. I'll pull them out on Monday. It'll give the glue a little bit more time to dry.